Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the gas clip on the fuel line or carburetor. This matters because clip types behave differently. Once located, make sure to relieve any line pressure by shutting off the fuel valve and, if applicable, disconnecting the battery. This prevents sparks. Put on gloves and set a rag under the joint. Then use pliers or a flat screwdriver to begin loosening the clip, angling tools for leverage so you control movement and avoid bending components unnecessarily. Now you remove the clip carefully. Compress or rotate it a fraction at a time, then slide it away from the fitting. Rapid force can damage the hose. Once free, inspect the hose barb and clip seat for nicks, cracks, or corrosion. You want a clean, tight surface. If replacing, compare the new clip size to the old one. Take a photo or note orientation, because correct alignment ensures a leak-free seal, and you'll save time when reinstalling the parts. To finish, slide the new clip into position and compress it with pliers until it locks into the hose groove. Make sure it's flush and not twisted, because misalignment causes leaks. Once installed, restore fuel flow slowly and observe the joint for at least 5 minutes. Look for seepage or smell of fuel. If you see a leak, shut off fuel immediately and either red-tighten the clip, replace the hose, or clean the mating surfaces. If problems continue, consult a technician to avoid safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.